They're very powerful.
Waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some more.
트레일 시작. 사슴에 있나봐. 우와. 오.
Baby, why you leaving me? Baby,
뷰가
what you
대박이다.
done with me for? Is it because of him? Is it because of me? Won't you tell me, baby? Don't you leave me alone? Maybe, won't you come on home now? I'll prove I'm right. Till the morning light. When you gonna come back? My heart is just blue black. Hate to be turned down. Same old story.
우와. 멋있다. Sorry. Can I take a picture?
Of course.
Thank you.
No, absolutely. Okay. Yeah, it's perfect.
Very similar. I like it.
Maybe a little bit. Do you want me to give you something that's similar to Angel's Envy, or do you want to go on the opposite Irish whiskey that wants to be bourbon, which is why it's over here and not over there? And the reason I say that is because Angel's Envy, it's a little smoother, it's not as high proof, but very similar.
Very similar.
When I was young, my daddy said, gotta keep one eye open in your bed. 'Cause there's a time coming when the
spirituality. This is what pretty much Sedona represents. Spirituality.
Can I take a picture?
And so it helps you connect with your higher self. It's really great for meditation. It helps clear your mind. It's good for anxiety, stress. But it's a Sedona spirituality, so it allows you to grow and accelerate your spiritual growth and connect with your higher self. This amplifies all other energy. So this is pretty much what the red rocks are made out of. So this is going to be a very powerful one. You don't necessarily need to like charge it because it imprints and it programs itself. And the unique shape, that's how it naturally grows. So this is a wand and a scepter. This is also record keepers. They're very powerful. As long as those are there, and you have a little bit of electricity, those will never stop moving, and they'll actually start. That's what Sedona is. We have 4 huge vortexes of magnetic electric. We can't see it, but MIT scientists can test it. It's real. We had them test our property last year, and we have an upflow downflow vortex or magnetic. I would say that this and moldavite are probably 2 of the most powerful ones. This thing is called a record keeper because you have these lines that shoot across. So there's no other stones that have all of those things in.
Some are like I feel range is that sort of technical expertise, and they've normally sat.
Would you like the red sauce that it comes with, or we have green
Glitter
as well?
drawer.
Waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could swore that I was in it, down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line.